So it's finally here. After months of rumors, leaks, and endless speculation, Apple has officially unveiled the iPhone Air, and it's already making waves in the tech world. Apple has launched the iPhone Air, and the buzz is all about its jaw-dropping thinness. People everywhere are talking about how it redefines what a smartphone can look and feel like, setting a new standard for minimalism and elegance. At just 5.6 millimeters, it makes even the iPhone 6 look bulky. Holding them side by side, you can instantly feel the difference. This is a device that almost disappears in your hand or pocket. The design is sleek, light, and almost futuristic, an object you want to admire. Every curve and edge has been refined, making it not just a phone but a statement piece that draws attention wherever it goes. But with this extreme thinness, everyone's asking, can it survive daily life? Will it hold up to the bumps, drops, and scrapes that come with real-world use, or is it just too delicate for the chaos of everyday living? Sacrificing internal volume for style raises real concerns about durability. With less space inside, there's less room for structural support, and that has some users worried about how the phone will stand up to pressure and accidental drops. Apple knows the tech world remembers past missteps, and skepticism is high. Reviewers are already drawing comparisons to previous iPhones that faced criticism for bending or breaking, and the pressure is on for Apple to prove that this time, thin doesn't mean fragile. The iPhone Air is a bold leap in design, but its success hinges on whether it can handle real-world use. Apple claims it's engineered with new materials and reinforced glass, but only time, and real users, will tell if it lives up to the hype. Is it a practical device or just a fragile piece of art? For now, the world is watching, eager to see if this ultra-thin marvel can truly become the next must-have gadget, or if it's destined to be remembered as a beautiful experiment. Apple is betting big that thin can also mean tough. The iPhone Air is more than just a new phone, it's a test of how far design and engineering can be pushed, and whether consumers are ready to embrace a future where less really is more. To understand the focus on durability, let's rewind to 2014 and the iPhone 6. Its thin, rounded aluminum body was a hit, until Bendgate struck. Users found their phones bending, especially near the volume buttons, just from sitting or pressure in a bag. The soft aluminum and thin profile created a weak point, and the internet exploded with bent iPhone photos. Apple fixed it in later models, but Bendgate became a cautionary tale. Now, with the iPhone Air even thinner than the 6, everyone's wondering, will history repeat itself? Apple has to prove this isn't just another pretty face, it has to be tough too. This time, Apple didn't wait for the internet to start the conversation about bending phones. Instead of letting rumors and viral videos take over, they took matters into their own hands and got ahead of the story. Apple released an official video straight from their own labs, showing the iPhone Air being put through a rigorous bend test. In the footage, the phone is subjected to a staggering 130 pounds of pressure, far more than what it would ever experience in a back pocket or even in most real-world scenarios. The slow-motion shots reveal the phone flexing under the intense force, but then, impressively, snapping right back to its original shape. There's no visible damage, no cracks, and no permanent warping. It's a demonstration of resilience that's meant to silence the skeptics. This wasn't just a slick PR move or a flashy marketing stunt. It was a direct response to the infamous Bendgate controversy that haunted previous iPhone launches, and a clear message to consumers that Apple is listening and taking concerns seriously. Apple's engineers want you to know, this phone is designed to bend and recover, not to break. They've rethought the materials and the structure so the iPhone Air can handle the stresses of daily life without failing. The secret lies in the titanium frame and the innovative new design. Apple claims these upgrades not only meet but actually exceed their already strict internal standards for durability and strength. It's a leap forward in smartphone engineering. With the iPhone Air, Apple is making a bold statement. Even as phones get thinner and lighter, they don't have to sacrifice toughness. This ultra-thin device is built to last, and Apple wants everyone to know it. Now, all eyes are on the iPhone Air as it leaves the lab and enters the real world. Will it live up to Apple's promises? The world is watching, and only time will tell if this phone truly redefines what it means to be both sleek and strong. Section 4, The Secret Weapon, a Titanium Frame. The iPhone Air's strength comes from its titanium frame, a major upgrade from aluminum. Titanium's strength-to-weight ratio is legendary, used in aerospace and medical tech. This allows Apple to make the Air ultra-thin without sacrificing durability. Unlike aluminum, titanium flexes and returns to shape, resisting permanent bends. It's a premium material that justifies the price and sets the Air apart from older models. The frame acts like a spring, absorbing and dissipating pressure. Apple's switch to titanium is both a technical solution and a marketing statement. It's the backbone of the iPhone Air's durability story. Section 5. Not just bending, Ceramic Shield 2 and drop tests. Apple's durability focus goes beyond bending. The screen gets an upgrade too. The new Ceramic Shield 2 offers triple the scratch resistance of the previous version. Drop tests show the Air and its siblings can handle real-world accidents, not just lab conditions. The combination of a titanium frame and toughened glass means all-around resilience. Apple wants users to feel confident whether it's a drop, a scratch, or a squeeze in a tight pocket. Durability is now a holistic approach, not just a single feature. The iPhone Air aims to survive whatever life throws at it. Section 6. Apple's claims versus real-world reality. Every year, Apple unveils its latest iPhone with bold promises about durability, strength, and innovation. Their presentations are polished, and the claims sound impressive, whether it's a new material, a tougher screen, or a more resilient frame. But how do these claims actually hold up once the phone leaves the showroom and enters the chaos of everyday life? Apple's lab tests and marketing videos are impressive, showing the iPhone enduring drops, scratches, and pressure in controlled environments. In these carefully designed scenarios, the phone looks nearly indestructible. But the real test isn't in a lab, it's in your hands, pockets, and bags, facing the unpredictable challenges of daily use. Controlled pressure is one thing, unexpected drops, keys in your pocket, and real accidents are another. Life is full of surprises, and no amount of lab testing can fully replicate the chaos of a busy commute, a sudden slip, or a phone tumbling out of your hands onto concrete. That's why independent reviewers and tech enthusiasts step in. They'll soon put the iPhone Air through their own brutal tests, beyond what Apple shows us. These reviewers are known for pushing devices to their limits, simulating real-world accidents and mishaps that could happen to anyone. Bend, drop, and scratch tests from YouTubers and tech sites will reveal the truth. They'll see if the iPhone Air can survive being bent, dropped from different heights, or scratched by everyday objects like coins and keys. These tests are often more extreme than what most users will face, but they give us a real sense of the phone's limits. Apple's claims set the stage, but only real-world use will prove if the Air is truly durable. It's the daily bumps, scrapes, and drops that matter most to users, not just what happens in a lab or a commercial. The titanium frame and ceramic shield sound great, but we need to see how they hold up over time. Will the materials resist scratches and dents after months of use? Or will they show signs of wear just like any other phone? The verdict will come from users, not just Apple's labs. Everyday people will share their experiences, good and bad, through reviews, social media, and word of mouth. Their stories will reveal whether the iPhone Air lives up to the hype or falls short in the real world. The world is ready to put the iPhone Air to the ultimate test. Only time and real users will tell if Apple's latest claims are truly justified. Section 7. Why durability matters and what comes next. Smartphones are essential, cameras, wallets, lifelines, so durability isn't optional in today's world. The iPhone Air is Apple's boldest blend of design and toughness yet, pushing boundaries further. Titanium and ceramic shield show Apple is serious about making thin phones strong and reliable. The first wave of independent reviews will be crucial. Watch for real-world results and honest feedback. Over time, user feedback will reveal if the Air truly lives up to the hype and expectations. For now, Apple's engineering looks promising, and the Air could finally put Bendgate to rest for good. Thin is in, and this time, it might just stay in one piece, lasting longer than ever before.